Replacing a damaged or rusted mower deck service is a practical way to extend the life of a riding mower. Welcome to WholeToolBox. When the main metal housing fails, but the engine and transmission remain functional, swapping the internal components to a new 42-inch service deck is the most efficient repair. The process begins by disconnecting the mower deck from the tractor frame and removing the drive belt. Once the deck is clear, the focus shifts to stripping the old deck service down to the bare metal. This involves unbolting the mandrels, which are the spindle housings that hold the blades. These components are usually held by 4 self-tapping bolts each. Because these bolts are prone to snapping during removal, it is recommended to have a new set of 8 mounting bolts ready for the installation. After removing the mandrels, the next step is to transfer the lift linkages, the belt idler pulleys, and the anti-scalp wheels to the new deck service. The discharge deflector shield and its tension spring must also be moved over. Placing the new black service deck side by side with the old one ensures that every bracket and bolt hole is matched correctly during the transition. The final step is to reinstall the blades and the drive belt. This systematic replacement restores the structural integrity of the cutting system and ensures a professional quality of cut for several more seasons. For trusted lawnmower replacement parts and maintenance essentials, visit WholeToolBox.com. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.